Which sentence sounds correct? I have much friends or I have many friends? If you're not sure, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know the answer and much more. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn one of the most useful topics in English grammar, that is quantifiers and determiners. These are the words that tell us how much, how many, which one or whose something is. We learn the rules, look at easy examples and solve exam style questions. So stay with me till the end and let's begin. Now read the following sentences. The first sentence, there are many toffees in the basket, and the second sentence, there are 6 toffees in the basket. Now in the first sentence, the word many shows the quantity of toffees and hence it is a quantifier. And in the second sentence, the word 6 shows the number of toffees. Hence, it is a determiner. Quantifiers also function as adjectives. They are those words that modify a noun and tell us the quantity of the noun that it is modifying. Let us understand with the help of these examples. The first sentence, I have total confidence in you. Here, how much confidence do I have? I have total confidence. The word total is telling us about the quantity of confidence I have in you. Confidence here is an abstract noun. Let's see the second sentence. All students in my class are present today. Here, in this sentence, how many students are present today? All students. The word all is telling us about the quantity of students present in the class today. Students here is a common noun. Please note, a quantifier can be a single word or a group of words. For example, in the sentence, I bought lots of mangoes. I bought how many mangoes? Lots of. Here the words lots of together are quantifiers. Now let's solve some of these examples. Identify the quantifier from the sentences given below. The first sentence, I have never seen these many lights during Christmas. What could be the quantifier here? Many. Second sentence, I don't have any strength left in my legs. The quantifier here is any. Third sentence, do you have as many candidates applying for this job as for the other? Here the quantifier is many. The fourth sentence, I did a little research before I began the experiment. Here the answer is a little. Fifth sentence, Cherry's been thinking a great deal about the coming audit she has to attend. The quantifier here is a great deal. Sixth sentence, a good amount of dancing has kept her in good shape until now. Answer, a good amount. Now let's come to determiners. Determiners are also a class of adjectives that tell us something of the noun that they modify. The chief difference between a quantifier and a determiner is that a determiner tells us the number or exact amount of the countable nouns. Look at this sentence for understanding the difference between a determiner and a quantifier. Example, being deceived once is enough to awaken a person's common sense. Now in this sentence, the word once is a determiner because it tells us the exact number of times a person is deceived, while the word enough is a quantifier because it tells us and it tells us approximately the quantity of times that a person requires to awaken his or her common sense. See, an easy way to identify a determiner is to look whether the noun that it is qualifying is countable or not. If it is countable, then it is definitely a determiner. And if it is not countable, it is a quantifier. Now let's identify the determiners in the following sentences. The first sentence. If you buy 2 soaps, you get 1 comb free. What is the answer here? 2 and 1. The next sentence. I have told you 100 times not to touch my bag. Answer 100. The third sentence. There are some who can add 2 and 2 and make it 5. Answer 2, 2 and 5. The fourth sentence. Bill Gates is the richest man in the world as he owns trillions of dollars. Here the answer is trillions. The fifth sentence. Prince Harry is known for contributing to more than one charitable organization. What is the answer here? 1. The next sentence. My priority in life is to do important things at the first instance. Answer? First. The next sentence. The most recent bill passed in the parliament levies a tax worth 20% on imported products. What is the answer here? 20. Now this is another exercise. Let us identify in this exercise whether these underlined words are determiners or quantifiers in the following sentences. The first sentence. He knows very little about natural sciences. The underlined word here is very little. So what is it? Is it a determiner or is it a quantifier? The answer is very little is a quantifier. The next sentence. Over 1/5 of the workers are infected with tuberculosis due to unhealthy working conditions. The underlined word here is 1/5. So what is 1/5? It is a determiner. The third sentence. A majority of people still read Shakespeare's works with interest. The underlined word here is a majority of. So what is this? It is a quantifier. The next sentence. Both the girls were blind but they were best friends. The underlined word here is both. Both is a determiner as both indicates two. The next sentence. Men and women above 60 years of age are called senior citizens. The underlined word here is 60. So what is 60? It is a determiner. The sixth sentence. For many years I thought of visiting my aunt in Madrid. The underlined word is many. So what is many? Many is a quantifier. The seventh sentence. Every student was asked to memorize a list containing difficult words. Here the underlined word is every. So every is a quantifier. The eighth sentence. None of the empires declared him out. The word underlined here is none. None is a determiner. The ninth sentence. A large quantity of water was spilled on the floor. The underlined words are a large quantity of. This is a quantifier. The last sentence. Some computer keys have multiple functions. The underlined word here is some. Some is a quantifier. Now with this we come to the end of the topic. If you like the video, then give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe for more such videos. And if you want me to make a video over a specific topic, then do let me know about it in the comments below. For now, this was all. Thank you and have a great day ahead.